Hello friends, in this video I will show you the new policy of Google Play Console. You need to choose a deadline and then verify your account when your deadline is completed. To know what are the policies, what are the requirements, watch the video until the end. So this is the verification for the accounts which are created before September 2023. So you need to verify your account if you created your account before 2023. What are the requirements for this policy or this verification? For personal developer accounts, you need your legal name, also your legal address, your contact email, also a preferred local for email communication, a contact phone number, and also a developer email address. These information are shown on Google Play Store. Also, organizations can also verify their account. You can see the requirements for those. So we will talk about personal right now. I will come to the Google Play Store or Play Console, and here I will choose a deadline. Here you need to choose a deadline in which you can ready your documents for verification. So I will choose a deadline January 10, 2025 and then click on next. You can see that my chosen deadline is January 10, 2025. You can also verify your account 60 days before the deadline. Scroll down and see I selected the personal account. You can also choose organization account. So you need to select a country you're based in. Here you can choose the country where you're based in. So I will select my country. So after my country is selected, I will click on next. Personal account in my country. Check your email for a confirmation email. This is the confirmation email. Choose your Google Play Console account verification deadline. So we will click on reserve on January 10, 2025. Our deadline is reserved. That is all we need to do. 60 days before deadline or after the deadline is completed, you need to verify your account using the documents. What you need to do, you need an email address for Google Play Console or Google Play Store users that contact you, and also an phone number and email for Google to contact you, and also our official document to verify your identity. So this is the new policy of Google Play Console. You can also check more information in the below link. That's all we need to do. Goodbye, have a nice time.